Hey everyone, today we're talking about 5 common eating mistakes most people make without even realizing it, and how to fix them. Whether you're trying to eat healthier, lose weight, or just feel better every day, this video is for you. Let's jump right in. 1. Eating too fast. Let's be honest. How often do you eat while scrolling on your phone or rushing through a meal? Eating too fast can lead to overeating because your brain doesn't have time to register that you're full. Slow down, chew your food well, and give your body time to signal that it's satisfied. 2. Drinking calories. Sugary drinks like soda, fancy coffees, and energy drinks are packed with calories, but they don't actually fill you up. You end up consuming way more calories than you think. Try replacing them with water, herbal tea, or black coffee. Your body will thank you. 3. Skipping meals. Skipping breakfast or lunch might seem like a good idea to cut calories, but it often backfires. It can lead to extreme hunger later in the day and cause you to overeat. Instead, aim for regular balanced meals to keep your energy and mood stable. 4. Relying on processed foods. Many people eat too many processed or packaged foods because they're quick and easy, but these are often high in salt, sugar, and unhealthy fats. Try cooking at home more often with whole ingredients. Even simple meals can be nutritious and tasty. 5. Not listening to your body. We're so used to following diets and food rules that we forget to listen to our own bodies. Eat when you're hungry. Stop when you're full. Don't eat just because the clock says it's lunch. Mindful eating can change everything. Alright, that's it for today's video. Let me know in the comments, which of these mistakes have you made before? And don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell so you don't miss future videos. Eat smart, stay healthy, and I'll see you next time.